Hello. So to solve this problem, we're going to break it into a few parts. So first, let's break it down into 4 root 768 m to the 15 n to the 9. So let's deal with the numbers first, because this is essentially 4th root 768. And we'll figure out the other parts in a moment. M to the 15 and times 4 n to the 9. All right, so here 768. Let's find a good number that you can actually do the 4th root of. So this number would be 16, for example, because if you were to do the 4th root of 16, you get a nice number 2. So for example, if you did something like this, you'll get 2. So let's divide 768 by 16. So by doing this, you will get the answer 48. So I'm going to bring this part over here. So you have 768. If you divide this by 16, you're going to get 16 times 48. Now from here, you can break the 48 further into 16 times 3. So now you have 16 times 16 times 3. So when you break this down, the 4th root of 16 gives you a nice number 2, and you have that twice. So 2 times 2 times the 4th root of 3. So if you wanted to double check, you can actually punch this into your calculator. 2 times 2 times the 4th root of 3, and your answer is approximately 5.266. And check if we did that right. If you do the same thing, 4th root of 768, you get approximately 5.26. Oops, 5.26. So that's part 1. Now for the next part here, 4th root m15, this just means that there's 15 m's in here. So, and it takes 4 m's here to make 1 m. So what happens is, so I'm going to continue this part over here. 4 m to the 15. This just means that you can actually fit m times m times m. And then your last one, you have 3 left over to the 4. Then this is because it takes 4 m's, because imagine there's 15 m's inside the bracket. So there's 15 m's, you take out 4 m's, you have 11. You take out 4 m's, you have 7. Take out another 4 m's, you have 3, and this is how you get 3 leftover m's out of 4. Now we do the same thing for 4 root n to the 9. Same thing, we'll need, there's 9 n's in here, and it takes 4 parts of n to make 1 whole part. So there's 9 n's, you take 4 out, so you have 1 complete n times, so there was 9 in here, take out 4, so now there's 5 left, take out another 4, and now you should only have 1 left times n 1 over 4. Alright, so now put it all together, and your final answer, you're going to get something that looks like this. Let me just create another section here. You should get 2 times 2 times 4th root 3 times m times m times m times m 3 over 4 times n times n times n 1 over 4. Let's put it together. And 2 times 2 is 4 wholes. Then here, you're going to get 1, 2, 3 n's, m's, m to the 3. You have 2 n's. And now you have 3, and you have a m, and you have an n to the 1. And this should be your final answer. 4, m to the 3, n to the 2, 4th root, 3, m to the 3, n.